earnings calls tomorrow, the conference calls tomorrow, and they're gonna do it before the market opens. So as soon as the next tick of the market happens, I'm gonna find out whether my position is gonna pay off or it's gonna hurt me. It's Monday, November 4th, and this is the second video, by the way, that I'm doing in a 12-hour period, which is very, very, very rare. This is the video log that takes 30,000 to a million, and a lot's going on today. I wanted to update everyone on my new all-time high again, which is insane and awesome at the same time. So I'll show you the account in a second. The screen is super bright because I'm doing this video in the middle of the day like I never do. And also in other news, I want to update you on my position on EXK. It's looking super exciting right now. The earnings calls tomorrow, the conference calls tomorrow, and they're gonna do it before the market opens. So as soon as the next tick of the market happens, I'm gonna find out whether my position is gonna pay off or it's gonna hurt me, and that's gonna be very exciting. So I'm gonna be looking with patience. Now, in other news, Cameco, and some news coming out of Cameco saying that they've solidified a contract, long-term contract at a favorable price. So that's going to be very interesting. It may signal a very, very beginning of a slow turnaround in uranium. And for that reason, I picked up another $500 of a uranium stock named UR Energy. So that's exciting as well. Also noting that there's been a big move in the stock of Cameco, which is the sole reason why this account is up today instead of flat to moderately down. And let me show you all this. So here we go. Here is the account. Today it says $323, but it's really up about $600 from yesterday, from Sunday night. The options are not doing very well at the moment, and this $238 is actually not working for me. I'm actually down on Apple today because these $238 are counteracted by these negative $333 from the auction place. So I'm actually down about $100 on Apple, which is a first for a while. I just never expected Apple to be so aggressive on its move up. I mean, can you believe it? It's a 257. Just a month ago, you know, it was like 226, and then 3 months ago it was at 193. I mean, such a meteoric rise, right? Can't believe it. So this is the rest of the account. Everything is pretty flat for the most part, except the uranium stocks. So Energy Fuels is up about $100 for me, 4.5%, followed by Cameco, which is the big mover of the day, $729 for me. It's sitting at $10.02, $10.02, $729 in the positive, followed by just negative 46 in the options. Reason being is that I have a lot of calls sold for $11, $12, and $10, and I haven't exceeded those $10 by too much. So that's why the options is not negative even more. I'm still up on my options plays overall though, with $100 in profit so far. Haven't collected that. I haven't exited the options trade, so, and none of them have expired, and you know, it's not a loss or a profit until you sell. So there we go. So that's what's going on. And lastly, this is going to be just a brief update because, as I said, I've already made a video yesterday, but I really wanted to update everyone, whoever is following this, or myself in the future, or whoever just happens to check it out in the future, of what's going on. And this could be a really good turning point for EXK and or Cameco and or uranium. So here's the EXK position. EXK sitting at 251. It dropped kind of sharply in the last few minutes here of the market, last 20 minutes, by about 4 cents, but not to worry. What I did was I have bought last week 10 calls, which acts as 1,000 shares for the time that I'm holding them. And that's the benefit that I'm going to be getting. So for example, if EXK goes up 1 cent, 1,000 shares times 1 cent, that would be, what is that, $10, something like that. For every cent that the stock goes up, I will be getting 10 cents. Of course, I'm paying for that option up front. Paid $150. I'm sitting at $0 return at the moment. So I'm paying $150 for the stock to give me $10 for each cent that it goes up over 250. And that's pretty exciting because I also happen to have $900 shares on top of that. So I will be gaining, you know, almost 2 cents for, I'm sorry, almost $20 for every cent that the stock goes up. On top of that, in another account, I just happen to have some EXK as well, which is more than this number, an undisclosed number that's higher than 900. So that should be also exciting, and I'm really looking forward to it. Like, I actually think that this could be a really profitable day for me tomorrow if things go my way. I think one of the reasons why they have delayed the announcement is because they want to probably prepare themselves better for to make things seem a little bit good, because in the past, in the last 3 quarters or more, they've really disappointed the investors with things like, you know, mine problems, management problems, and which is ironic because this company is supposed to be, you know, a takeover company of old mines and managing them better. So their management should be the strong point, not the weak point. So therein lies the irony. But nevertheless, that's what's happening with the company, and that's what's happening with the account. I'm super excited. So I'm probably not going to be able to sleep much because I'm just so excited. But I'm still gonna wake up tomorrow and see what's gonna go. Maybe I'll do a comment on the video to update you as to what the account looks like profit wise, and you know, that's about it. No real big lessons today. Nothing informational or educational, but I just wanted to update everyone. You know, also, if you're interested, I am beating the market today. It's 0.43, and the S&P SPY ETF is up just 0.4. Well, actually 0.41 if you count the after hours market. So there we go. Interesting. This is the week. 2.63, definitely beating the market on the week, month, 3 months, 1 year, plus 38%, and all-time graph. All right, I think I'm gonna end it right there. Just very short and sweet update. Hopefully you all are making more money than I am and enjoying the markets and your week. And let's get back on that grind, eh? Since it's a Canadian company, get it, Cameco. Anyway, lame jokes are for lame people. Okay, all right, peace out. That's it.